Mastering possessive adjectives in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very important part of English grammar, possessive adjectives. These are essential tools in our linguistic toolbox that help us express ownership or possession. By the end of this video, you will be confidently using possessive adjectives in your English conversations and writings. Let's get started. Possessive adjectives are words that help us show ownership or possession. They're used before a noun in a sentence. The English possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Here's a simple example. This is my book. Here, my is the possessive adjective, and it's indicating that the book belongs to me. Using possessive adjectives is quite straightforward. They always come before the noun they are modifying. So you would say, her cat is cute, not, cat her is cute. And remember, unlike some other languages, English possessive adjectives do not change depending on the gender of the noun. It's always his car, whether the car is masculine or feminine. Let's look at some more examples of possessive adjectives in use. 1. My dog is very friendly. 2. Did you bring your laptop? 3. His house is bigger than ours. 4. We like her new haircut. 5. The bird is flapping its wings. 6. Our teacher is very knowledgeable. 7. Their team won the game. See how each possessive adjective shows a different owner or possessor for the noun it is modifying. This is the key function of possessive adjectives. A common mistake when using possessive adjectives is confusing them with possessive pronouns. Remember, possessive adjectives, like my, your, his, always come before a noun, while possessive pronouns, like mine, yours, his, can stand alone. For example, you'd say, my book is on the table, but the book on the table is mine. Another common mistake is using its and its interchangeably. Remember, its is a contraction of it is or it has, while its is a possessive adjective. So, you'd say, the cat is licking its paws, not, the cat is licking its paws. And there you have it. We hope that this video has helped clarify the concept of possessive adjectives in English for you. As you can see, they are simple yet powerful tools in expressing possession or ownership in the English language. Keep practicing and using them in your conversations and writings, and soon, using possessive adjectives will become second nature to you. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English skills. See you next time.